Good morning guys, and welcome back to a new vlog. This is probably the most chaotic intro. I am literally about to leave to go to the airport. Your girl is off to Lagos. I'm literally all ready for my trip. I've just managed to do like 5-minute curls. I'm gonna take out the pins when I get to the airport. I'm actually wearing this aloe zip tracksuit set because it is 5:15 in the morning and I need to leave. My flight is at 10 o'clock, so yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the airport. Hey my loves, I'm not too sure if you guys can hear me because there's like a lot of aircraft. I was meant to check back in when I got to the airport, but I literally went to the lounge, had some breakfast. I'm literally just going to eat as much as possible, have so much sleep because I have only slept for 1 hour and there's about 5 hours left to go. A beautiful start to the year, like it can't get any better than this, just being up in the sky, laid down, just chill. I'll see you guys in Lagos. Packed up. We'll be like 2 minutes. Hey guys, so I'm back in the UK. I know you guys are probably thinking like, this girl is not serious. Like the last time I left off, I was definitely just landing in Lagos. I'm so sorry guys. I went to a wedding, I went to a birthday dinner. I had such an amazing time. That was a solid 9 out of 10. However, safety was like a priority for me. I started to like film a little bit, but then I just felt like, you know what, if I'm not going to do this properly, then like what is the point? However, I'm back, I'm here in the UK and it's a new year, it's a new vibe. I'm currently parked outside the gym. It is 6:30 in the morning. Usually I'm already in the gym at this time, but it's fine, it's cool. I'm working from home today, so I still have like a bit of time. But I just wanted to like come back and tell you guys I'm sorry. Like I'm so sorry. I also have a trip to Amsterdam coming up, so it is time for like a huge girly maintenance. The nails need to be done, like lashes, hair, everything. So yeah, you guys will definitely be seeing all of that. But yeah, I hope you guys are well, are doing good. It's a new year guys, and we are running a very strict program over here. Summer is around the corner. We need the stomach flat, we need the glutes looking peachy. So yeah. guys, so the last time I basically picked up the camera, I was doing my maintenance. I'm currently at Heathrow Airport because I am going to Amsterdam now for Gunna's concert. So yeah, I really loved how the girl did my hair. It was my first time going to her and she is literally like amazing. I can't wait to like style my hair properly. So the flight is at 2:15 and it is 12:45, so we literally have like an hour and a half to get through the airport, which we definitely will make it. Like, I timed myself quite well this morning. Yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to Amsterdam.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you want.
Hey beautiful guys and girls, so today is Gunna day and I am getting ready. As you guys can see, I've got my pin curls in my hair and I have prepped primer to my face, hence why I'm looking very oily, and I've done my brows as well. So yeah, actually 4:30. The doors open basically now because I have a VIP ticket, which means I should actually be getting to Gunna now. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can make it. I think the doors might close at like 6 for VIP. I don't know. I mean, I can still go at any time, but there's obviously like a few perks and stuff that comes with VIP. You just have to get there early. So this is like the earliest I have ever gotten ready to go to our concert, but I'm gonna do like quick makeup, none of that bridal makeup rubbish that I usually do when I'm going out. Like I said, I have already prepped and primed my face, and yeah, I'm just gonna play some music whilst I get ready. Today.
Been on time, but I can spend some bands. 6 figures for a paddock, it's gorgeous.
I am ready. This is the final look. What do you guys think? I feel like I did really well. I had minimal time to get ready, but I feel like I pulled it off. But I feel like I'm late. Like, obviously, like I said, I've got a VIP ticket, so VIP comes with like meet and greet, so I could potentially be meeting Gunna, but I don't know because I'm actually really late. I'm not even gonna lie. And from what I was like reading online, you have to queue up for like 2 hours, and I can't lie, I don't want to queue up for 2 hours. Do I like Gunna? Absolutely. Like, I went to his first concert. I went to his first concert in London in 20 19, I think. So it'll be nice to meet him. I guess that's what my ticket comes with anyways, but that's what happens when you don't pay for things. You don't end up valuing it. I'm not even gonna lie. But this is the final fit. I'm struggling to put my boots on. My Uber is literally in a couple minutes, so yeah, I'll see you guys at Gunna. Nah, not me not doing an outfit of the day. Harrods, guys. Wearing this burgundy, like woven bomber jacket, which I feel like goes with like this whole Gunna theme. Bodysuit Watford, leggings are from Uniqlo, Chanel, everyday jewelry, and then my boot heels, which you guys can't see, is I think it's from ASOS. Yeah, somewhere from ASOS. Yeah.
Post up with this shit. Man. Post up, pull up. So my niggas toast up, put some lean in his cup, yeah. Hey, I got lean in my cup, I got real ones I can trust, yeah. I don't want they calling me slur. Why we jump all on the curb? This can't be my equal, I know what you heard. Crack up the four and I swerve. Keep me a stick of that. Everything lit, I know it is. Turn to the city, I broke out the night. Got some more minutes, I keep you in. You got a lot of right now. You feel like you one of the ones. You just like me, you was made for this shit. Keep a light up. Amsterdam, I swear to God, you was made for this shit. Who was made for this shit? Whoa.
That's a good one.
Whoa. Hey, I was made for this shit. Nigga, I pray. Y'all didn't sell out this motherfucker one night. Y'all sold it out 2 nights, and I love you for life. I go by the name of Young Gunna, and I can't wait to see y'all again. You did. I fuck with you, boy.
Hey guys, I'm back in the UK. Quick Gunna debrief. Gunna was actually really good. I would rate it a solid 6 out of 10. I actually had a really good time. The weather was so bad. It was crazy. Like the rain was heavy. The venue was a little bit weird as well. The entire arena was standing. There was seats on like the upper deck, but it was given like first come first serve. You get a seat, but it wasn't specifically allocated to anybody. But yeah, I'm back in the UK. Today I'm going for lunch with Shika and Chantel. So Shika is my girl. I'm gonna go and get like a quick girly lunch. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here today. If you've come this far, thank you so much. I honestly appreciate it. I think moving forward, I do want to try and like post every first Sunday of the month. Or what do you guys think? Do you guys prefer the first Friday or the first Sunday? As someone that works a 9 to 5, I do feel like I get up to quite a lot on the weekends and in the evenings, and I can actually pick up my camera to vlog. Yeah, I do feel like posting once a month is honestly doable. Even people that do content creation full time, they post like twice a month. But yeah, in April we've got a lot of fun stuff coming up, so I'm going to start a new vlog for April so that I can post it in the beginning of May. If you want me to be posting frequently, please subscribe to my channel. If you want me to quit my job and do content creation full time, subscribe, because you guys are watching and not subscribing, and that's not nice, is it? Okay, but yeah, I'm literally going to get ready for lunch. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Mwah. Basically the dress that I reserved, but I also reserved one more. Hey guys, so I'm in Harrods, just hanging about. I was with the girls earlier. We didn't even get anything to eat, we just got a matcha. Anyways, just having a quick browse. So I'm trying to put something together for my birthday wish list, so we'll see how that goes. Oh, I like those jackets. You had that black t-shirt. Did you not have that blue one? You had something that looked like that. Let me see, turn to this way. I literally love these Renees. I think they are stunning. I think I'm gonna try them on. Hi, do you have this in a 37.5, please? Okay, so they have my size in the burgundy Renees, but they look so underwhelming. Trying on the shades. I have had my eyes on these Bottegas for the longest because I don't have sunglasses, but these are another way to put on. I think this is decent means they're not nice. I don't feel like dark shades suit me. That's what it is. These are cute. Stun. I like these, they're so chic. And they give like old money vibes. These and a big blowout in the summer. Just give it class.